Welcome back, everyone. Your Snapchat score, for some reason, may not be updating, and this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Now, if you check it, and let's say you know for a fact your score has gone up, and for some reason it's still the same, well, the first thing I would recommend doing is to actually go ahead, close out of your Snapchat application, and you want to go ahead and jump back into it. Sometimes this may actually fix it, sometimes it just needed to be reset. And you can see if it fixed it for you, then that's pretty much it. You can not watch this video anymore. However, if it's still not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to actually make your way over to your app store. So you want to go ahead and jump in like this. You want to go ahead and find the Snapchat application. You can go and search for it, but typically I just click here and here. And you can see sometimes there is an update for these apps. So all you want to do is go ahead and update your Snapchat application, and it may take it a second or two. And once it's updated, you want to go ahead and jump back into it. And if it actually went ahead and updated your score, well, that's really pretty much all you had to do. It's sometimes that easy to do it, and at this point, you can pretty much move on with your life. However, if you're still noticing that your Snapchat score is the same and it's still not, updating no matter what you do, well, in this specific situation, what I would recommend doing, and this is probably going to fix it for you, is to actually uninstall Snapchat. So you want to go and hold it down like this, remove app, you want to go and delete the application, and you want to go ahead and reinstall Snapchat. Now, for my experience, this is pretty much what fixed it for me a majority of the time, and this is what may fix it for you as well. So what you want to do, go ahead and uninstall Snapchat, go ahead and re-download it again from the App Store, so go ahead and install it, and at that point, you want to open it back up, you want to click on your profile icon up here, and if it went ahead and updated, then you are pretty much good to go. If it still hasn't updated, this may mean that Snapchat servers are actually down, and you may have to wait until Snapchat fixes their problem. And this is, what most of the time ends up, happening. You just have to wait until Snapchat fixes the problem, and that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.